Tips on freezing your fruits and vegetables, coming up next on Year-Round Gardening.
Year-Round Gardening is supported in part by Ace Hardware, Hills Plaza South State College, and South Dorcas Street, Lewistown.
Freezing is a hassle-free way to preserve your food, especially when time is limited. It can also retain much of the nutritional quality and when done right, can preserve most of the freshness. I'll give you some tips on the best way to freeze your fruits and vegetables. Control the natural enzymes in fruits and vegetables to prevent the ripening process. Vegetables are blanched to kill the enzymes. Blanching refers to briefly submerging a particular food in boiling water, then quickly cooling the food, usually in ice water. It will also improve the nutrient retention and slow or stop the ripening process. Fruits are treated with the addition of ascorbic acid, citric acid, or lemon juice to the surface or submerged in holding water during preparation containing ascorbic acid to prevent browning or oxidation and ripening of the fresh fruit. Steaming fruit may be required if the fruit will be cooked before use. Fruit may also be packed in a syrup pack as a preservation technique to improve color and firmness of soft fruit like peaches. When preparing fresh fruits and vegetables for freezing applications, it is important to move through the preservation practices quickly, packing your items in appropriate materials or containers designed for freezing. Freezing quickly in small quantities allows for faster freezing and the development of small ice crystals that protect the outside surface. Be sure to dry your vegetables with a paper towel or cloth before placing them in the packaging material. Conveniently, most plastic bags and other containers you can buy at the store will be labeled specifically for freezing food. The packaging material you use for freezing fruits and vegetables should have the following qualities: resistant to moisture and vapor, leak-proof, resistant to cracking, brittleness, oil, grease, and water, easy to seal and label. For freezer bags, after you place the fruit or vegetables in the bag, make sure to press the air out of the bag. Removing air will prevent enzyme reactions and oxidations that can cause additional browning, but also leave a ½ inch of headspace to allow for expansion when the vegetables and fruits freeze. Headspace is also needed of other types of containers. Label and don't overload. It's a good practice to label and date your frozen fruit and vegetables so you know what they are and how long they've been stored. Also, be sure to spread out the packed vegetables evenly and be sure not to overload the freezer. Uneven placement and overloading could result in uneven freezing.
Ace Hardware, locally owned and operated and a proud supporter of public television. Ace, the helpful place, Hills Plaza South State College and South Dorcas Street, Lewistown.
Videos like this are made possible by support from viewers like you. If you enjoyed this video, visit WPSU.org to become a member today and help us create more content like this.